Bling! Huh?
Hi everybody, and welcome back to Daily Doodles for You, the channel where I show you how to draw something every day. So today I'm going to show you how to draw Princess Peach from Mario. So before we get started, please feel free to leave a like, maybe leave a comment, and let me know what you would like to learn how to draw next. And it would be great if you would subscribe if you have not already subscribed, and stick around for all of our daily doodles. Alright, so to start drawing Princess Peach, I'm going to start with the eyes. I often start with the eyes, but let's see, we're going to do like an upside down U shape, like that. And then we're going to do an oval inside. And I'm going to do a little oval up top. And then one in the middle. And the one in the middle, we can color it in all black. And now I'm going to thicken up this U shape we did, the upside down U shape. Just a bit thicker. And we can add some little eyelashes, like that, and a little eyebrow up top. And now we can work on the other eye. So it's going to be the same kind of thing, only like the mirror image of it, just kind of the opposite of it. But we can start the same way we started with the last one, with our upside down U shape. And kind of thicken it up a bit. And let's see the inside here. Same as what we were doing before. Actually, I said it was kind of like the mirror image, but it's not even the mirror image right now. So far, it's exactly the same. But the eyelashes, we're going to do the eyelashes a little bit differently. They're on this side, whereas on this side, they were on the other side. Okay, and a little eyebrow. And next, let's do a little nose. So just a little shape like that. And then we can do a little smile and do a little top lip. And a bottom lip. All right, so next let's give her a bit of a face shape. Like that. And here in the middle, we're going to start with some hair. So she's got one big middle, kind of a chunky piece here. And then one side swoops this way, and the other swoops the other way. And let's see, up top, you can kind of curve this way and swoop to the side like that, and do another little pointy piece right there. And on the other side, we'll do the same. Do a little bit of a pointy piece right there and just above it. And then we can bring one piece of hair down, and same on the other side, like that. And now let's do an ear. So we've got a little curved shape right there, and now she's got big round earrings. And let's do the same over on the other side. We can see a little itty bitty bit of an ear, and then a great big round earring. So before we do any more hair, I'm gonna work a little bit, I'm gonna do the crown first. So we can do a little bit of an oval here, and then a point up top. Over here, and come on down, and then we've got another bit of an oval showing, and same on the other side. All right, so now we can do a little bit of neck, and then she's got like all these little like upside down U shapes here for the collar of her dress. We can do a little curve line here, and now she's got a big oval shape right here, and we can kind of line that oval shape with a thin, it's going to be like a yellowy gold color after, a little shape there. And we can come on down a bit, and we can give her a big puffy sleeve. And same on the other side, big puffy sleeve. And we can start with an arm, two little lines here, and bring it over. And we've got a bit of an elbow here. And our lines are getting closer together the closer we get to the wrist. And let's see, over here, do a little bit of a curve here, and a line for an arm, another little line for the arm, and bring that over. So she's going to have one hand here kind of resting on this arm. We got the palm of the hand here. And do some fingers. And this arm here, we can have that kind of sticking out underneath. So we'll have like a little thumb showing here. And then we've got a finger here. Another one. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And let's see, let's continue working on the hair up here. So I'm going to do a little line right here, and then curve, and do a little bit of a point. And over on the other side, we can do the same thing. Come on down, and then a curve, and bring it on in. And I'm going to make it even longer now after. But let's see, I'm going to do a little line here, and then we can bring this out. Her dress is pretty poofy, so we can bring a line over here on this side too for some more poof, and do a line here like this, and on the other side, and then another line, and another line. And we can add some other lines like this here for show some of the kind of like the movement in the fabric. And I'm going to do a curve line right here, and same there. And now let's add a little bit more hair here in the back. Do a bit of a curve. All right, so let's see. I think we are finished our sketch of Princess Peach, and now I'm going to get started with the coloring. Oh, I was almost ready to start coloring, but I just realized I forgot this little curve line right here and on this side, because Princess Peach is wearing these big long gloves. So almost forgot that line there to show the difference in the colors of the arm. So we need to make sure that we're showing that her gloves are white. And if we forgot this little curve, these little lines right here, it would be like she's not wearing her gloves at all, which wouldn't be a big deal. But anyway, time to start coloring. All right, everyone, we're finished our drawing of Princess Peach. Thank you so much for drawing with me today. I hope you have an awesome day, and I will see you back here tomorrow for the next Daily Doodle. Goodbye!